Not exclusively is the 2025 Hyundai Tucson a stylish-looking decision among conservative SUVs, it's likewise a useful one, with a more roomy lodge and freight region than many opponents. A 187 horsepower 4-chamber motor and front-wheel drive are standard, and all-wheel drive is discretionary. Both a half-and-half and module crossover are advertised. The Tucson gets a styling invigorate for 2025, its fourth year available, that incorporates updates to its grille, guards, and wheels. The other for measures, sharing a particular rectangular lodging on the dashboard. Passage-level models get a solitary 12.3-inch touchscreen and simple checks. The directing wheel configuration has been changed and the environment control board has been refreshed as well. The cost of the 2025 Hyundai Tucson begins at $29,750 and goes up to $39,690 relying upon the trim and choices. A 187 horsepower 2.5-liter 4-chamber is standard and accompanies an 8-speed programmed and either front or all-wheel drive. The Tucson offers just sufficient kick for both city driving and expressway passing moves, so lead-footed drivers will long for more power. While the Tucson is no games vehicle, its taking care of is sure, its guiding is sensibly fresh, and its ride is pleasing. The EPA gauges that the Tucson ought to convey as high as 25 miles per gallon city and 32 miles per gallon throughway with front-wheel drive. On our 75-mile-per-hour interstate mileage course, however, a Tucson XRT conveyed a frustrating 26 miles per gallon. The Tucson sports a basic however present-day dashboard plan with a computerized check show, a section-mounted shifter, and a different control board for the environment control framework with genuine buttons. The Tucson's backseat space and freight region are both bigger than many opponents, giving more traveler solace and reasonableness. For 2025, the Tucson gets an updated discretionary infotainment framework that comprises of 2 computerized separates, 1 solid lodging that extends the greater part of the width of the dashboard. Any remaining trims accompany a solitary 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen and a bank of simple checks.